Hello guys, what's up? So today I'm again presenting another video that is the most awaited one on हसीना पागल दीवानी, जिसे मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया और डांस कवर मैं ऑलरेडी 2-3 हफ्ते पहले बना चुकी हूँ. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज चेक माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स जिसमें मैंने उसका लिंक डाल दिया है. So let's quickly start it. Okay, so quickly let's move on. The song starts with the thasu music, but then there is no beat as such. And but still I would like to count it for you because I'm not playing music because of the copyright claims. If you really want to watch, अगर आपको सीखना है या आपको देखना है तो प्लीज मेरा डांस कवर देख लीजिए जो कि मैंने जिसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है. प्लीज play that simultaneously so that you can understand what I'm teaching right now. तो initial 16 beats पे we are not doing anything. We just need to prepare ourselves sometimes to, we are on stage and we just can groove. Grooving means होता है थोड़ा थोड़ा move करो. You just have this flavor of dance in your mind and then you just preparing yourself so audience know and whoever is watching you they know कि हाँ चलो आप कुछ स्टार्ट करने वाले हो. तो स्टार्टिंग की 16 बीट्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We're not doing anything. And in the video I just face my back, so I'm not facing camera and I'm just grooving 8 times. And then after once 16 beats actually stopped, then I just threw my skirt in a bit or probably just tossed it off. Like I'm wearing like very long skirt. अभी मैं इसलिए स्कर्ट नहीं पहना क्योंकि आप मेरे पैर नहीं देख सकते थे इसीलिए. तो just imagine करो या फिर आप simultaneously देख सकते हो. So what I did, I tossed my skirt in how many beats? In 8 beats. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 में 7 में मैं एक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड किया, 8 में मैंने एक ठुमका लगाया. ओके, सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 is just a ठुमका. You can do it like this or like this or like this. Okay, तो 8 में ठुमका लगाया. Then 1. Now look at my foot. It's right here, left and on my toes. So I'm not keeping it in here, there. I'm not wearing my legs. I'm just joining my legs and I'm standing on my toe in very style way. Or body language has to be there because even if you're wearing bottom like complete skirt or like your legs are not visible, still your body language shows. So you always have to stand in a way that it should not look weird. तो मैं ऐसे खड़ी हुई हूँ और मैंने 1 जब मैंने ठुमका लगाया 7 8 में, then again I'll start my count. 1 I'm joining my hands up, एकदम sharp होना चाहिए. 1 2 में I'm just opening my hands. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, once again 1 2 3 4 में hands at the top of your head. 5 6 7 8 में I'm turning. So 7 8 you can prepare yourself to take turn again from back to front. Okay, so 7. So this is a belly step. It's not a typical belly step. You can just move it. You don't have to be really professional belly step because you're not a belly dancer. If you're not a belly dancer, I'm not a belly dancer. So I just joined my legs. And how can you do that? You have to put effort on your heel part. Okay, तो heel से आप ये जो आपकी heel है has to go like this, a little out, and so that your waist will be a little out of the box even. So it's like tuck 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 tuck. So look at my feet. Okay, I'm with the help of my heel. I'm doing 1 2 3 4, and in this song the count is 5 6 7 8 में once again turn it. So once again I'll tell you. I tossed my skirt 1 2 3 4 5 6 दो step 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Moving on, so the lyrical part comes. ऐसा किसने पिलाया जो दीवानी बन गई, जाने कुछ तो मिलाया कि कहानी बन गई. Hope I'm singing right. Anyway, so 5 6 7, 8, and on the 8 she started singing even on the beat. So ऐसा चला जाएगा आपका टर्न में. ऐसा किसने में you open your leg and sway like this, okay, from top to bottom. Like you kept your left leg and waist के साथ obviously, but you just need to move it. You need to move your waist. So it's just not this. It's this. You have to deliberately move your waist. Okay. So किसने come back, पिलाया. Bend your knees, close your legs, and one hand on the waist. Right hand here. It's the action of drinking. पिलाया. Okay. ऐसा किसने पिलाया. जो दीवानी में left leg थोड़ा up हो जाएगा. And with the help of our leg, we need to move our hip, the left one, and both the hands. दीवानी बन गई में एक स्टेप आगे लेके join your legs and hands. Right hand underneath your chin, left underneath your right hand, and then jump, tuck. Jump में, इसमें बन गई, tuck. बनने के बाद 2 बीट आते हैं, उसमें हमें jump लेना है. Open your hands and legs and nod. बन गई, जाने कुछ तो मिलाया. यहाँ पे हमें हल्का सा टर्न करना है with the help of our right, left, right. छोटे कदम रखने हैं और मूव करना है. वेस्ट मूव करनी है. So you need to know how exactly we moving, and with the move we need to move our waist. Okay, so दीवानी बन गई. So left, right. So how would you move your waist? Like this. Bend your knees. Yeah, you need to bend your knees so that it will look real nice. And then step, and that's how you turn. Okay. दीवानी बन गई, जाने कुछ तो मिलाया. दीवानी बन गई, ऐसा कुछ तो मिलाया, जो कहानी बन गई. अब कहानी में क्या करना है? आप ऑलरेडी टिल्ट हो चुके हो. राइट हैंड आपका यहाँ पर है, लेफ्ट हैंड ऊपर नीचे ऊपर. It's just that you just need to tap. That's it. Along with that, left leg is forward and you need to move. ठुमका देना है, hip hit है. Okay, very easy. कहानी बन गई. How would you really make it look nice? You just need to bend a bit and ठुमका तब ज़्यादा अच्छे से दिखेगा. कहानी बन गई जो तीसरा है, I'm just doing this step like as if that someone is pulling me. Okay, तो आपको भी वैसे ही करना है. कहानी बन गई, and again I'm facing camera or I'm facing audience, but join my legs, I'm bent, and then again she repeats the same lyrics. Na. तो 3 बार है. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So it's just throwing your leg. Okay, so कहानी बन गई, ऐसा किसने पिलाया. जो जब बोलते हैं तो जो में hands open हो जाएंगे, legs close हो जाएंगे, and I'm doing this thrice. So how would I do that? I've again joined my legs and my hands position. Close my fingers, so it's not like this. Close my fingers. Other hand is here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. जाने कुछ तो मिला है. तो जाने में again I have jumped and opened my legs. कुछ तो. So see my body posture. I have opened my legs and I'm moving my hips. I'm bent and I'm moving my hips. ठीक है? Easy है? बिल्कुल टफ नहीं है. Open your legs. Bend. Hips have to be out, so don't be shy. Hips have to be out and move with the help of your knees. Okay? Move. किसने मिलाया? राइट हैंड here, लेफ्ट. नीचे से मूव करता हुआ ऊपर आएगा. तो जैसे ही आपका वेस्ट या हिप घूम रहा है वैसे आपका हाथ घूमेगा. दैट्स इट. तो कुछ तो मिलाया के में अगेन जॉइन योर लेग्स. 1, 2, 3 एंड ठुमका. इजी है. कुछ तो मिलाया के कहानी बन गई. अब ये कैसे करना है? डायगोनल स्टेप्स रखने हैं, बेंड करना है एंड जस्ट ड्रॉप करना है. तीसरे में ज्वाइन कर लेने लेग्स. चौथे में ठुमका मार देना है. Now ठुमका, it's all up to you. How would you want to do it? You can do this, you can do this, you can do this. It's all up to you. However, you have to be on your toe and hip up, jump. So Bhumika. Now she sings. इन बातों से तो कब से दीवानी. Oh God, why? Okay, sorry, I'm messing up with the lyrics. I'm really sorry to the writers even. Okay, so इन बातों से तो मैं थी अनजानी. So इन बातों से मैंने क्या किया है? मैंने अपना again I tossed my skirt and I just threw it in the wind. And फर्स्ट आप ये देखो कि मैं एक्चुअली मेरे स्टेप्स क्या है, क्योंकि स्कर्ट में मेरे स्टेप्स दिख नहीं रहे. सो हियर आई एम शोइंग यू दिस माय लेग्स. सो नॉट लिटरली बट माय स्टेप्स. लाइक इन बातों से तो मैं थी अनजानी. ना 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 ना. So what am I doing? I'm just taking one single turn, like 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is the step. Okay, it's very easy. तो इन पे मैंने टर्न लिया बातों से और I'm inclined towards my left. Okay, my left knee is bent and I'm right leg में मैं I'm on my toe. Okay, so right leg is pointed. So इन पे टर्न लिया बातों से तो मैं थी पे टर्न किया and अनजानी throw my legs and अनजानी my hands are moving outwards and with the help of my leg I'm moving my कमर. Okay, अनजानी 2 बार. दिल then इन बातों से तो मैं थी अनजानी. दिल मेरा हाय. ओके, तो दिल मेरा पे टर्न हाय कर बैठा टर्न शैतानी. जॉइन माय लेग्स शैतानी. इट्स वेरी इजी. ऑल्टरनेट करना है. टप टप. जॉइन माय नीज एंड आई एम जस्ट so this is my moves. I have joined my wrist and tap tap. So once again, let's see once again. Fast अगर मैं करती हूँ. इन बातों से तो मैं थी अनजानी. दिल मेरा हाय कर बैठा शैतानी. That's it. Please watch the video. So after this, now आज न सोना सारी रात दिल मेरा हाय. So what I did, I again fold my skirt and I'm going back. So आज न सोना सारी रात दिल मेरा हाय. How would I go back? For example, this is my skirt. Okay, I'm here. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I'm basically I'm moving back and diagonal back. Okay, so I'm here. आज ना सोना सारी रात दिल. So 2 steps forward. रात दिल मेरा हाय में I'm just sitting and I picked my skirt. I put it here, not like in my mouth literally, but I put it here and then I left it. So if you want to learn the Kiara wala step, then I haven't done that, so I'll just teach you what I did. Okay, so how पीछे गए, but it has to be really energetic. I don't have enough space because I'm shooting at my home because of the lockdown, so I don't have enough space else I would have shown you that how energy I had when I was going back. So it has to have a very 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 high energy. आज न सोना सारी रात दिल मेरा high and skirt picky, and I just touched it here and I threw that. Okay, and then high and then high and I left it. Now sabar mein lag gayi aag dil mera hai. Then I did the signature step, not exactly like this but little differently. Okay guys, so that was all from my side and hope you liked the tutorial. It was very easy. और अगर कोई भी complaint है, कोई भी feedback है, so please आप मुझे बताइएगा. I would love to improve. I love to hear you all. And I think that's all. Please watch our tutorials and videos because we need to reach 1 million this year, and I think I may if you help me. So please hit the bell icon for the notification and share our videos, subscribe to our channel, that is Danta Size. This was your teacher Aditi. I love you all.